Music differs from, say, travel. When you travel, you are trying to get something. And of course, we, because being a very compulsive and purposive culture, are busy getting everywhere faster and faster and faster till we eliminate the distance between places. So you eliminate the distance, you eliminate the journey. Because the fun of the journey is to travel, not to obliterate travel. We thought of life by analogy with a journey, with a pilgrimage, which had a serious purpose at the end, and the thing was to get to that end, success or whatever it is, or maybe heaven after you're dead. But you had to do that. You didn't let it happen.